Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukwudi, Nkubi, and Oga Barrister. I no call her Barrister because it's not easy to read book. Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim dey inside studio. And with the chook mouth inside all of the action to wey happen on top of Aside Hot as take concern Nigeria this week. We still dey on top of Monday and we dey discuss the thing Aside Hot. Based on say time no go allow us to just dwell on all these topics. We go just join the last two topics on top of Monday together and come drag them enter inside Tuesday. And we've been discussing about the fact say the Inspector General of Police come and talk say many of these Fulani headsmen, when some people talk say that they see them for afternoon, they carry gun for broad daylight. Say some of them, they no be Nigerian, they no be Chad, they come from Chad, they be Nigerian, they come from Cameroon. Now, we go they ask one question, say, why is just dey easy for person to just carry waka enter inside Nigeria? Chad say Nigeria na the place where we say, we no go ask you, say, where are you from? Excuse me, why will you just be, you know, and these people, some of them, we know say some of them, they live in peace, so, but others, they cause problems for us inside this our country. What's the way forward from here?
Well, I be one join them. I don't get right to join things for this program, but I be one join them because it relates. Now, problem of our leaky border.
Join them, feel free. Join them,
of course.
Join them.
Yes, now problem of the leaky border, and because an irresponsible government who don't get over time. This time we supposed to know ourselves. Anybody, if you go our passport office and go collect passport, anybody. So far, no be Oyibo will be say no be somebody will be any African fit just go anywhere say
I won't go collect.
I won't go collect that. They don't go ask me when I go there. Waiting they ask me. I just fill form now. Particularly if you just go those ones where they do express, you just give them the 18,000. How much they now buru. You understand? Our borders no be only custom. They don't get the capacity to man the borders alone. We need to deploy technology. Technology they very important. Person go day office now. The man like 10 different entry points together. Exactly. You gotta give them info, say black person don't enter. Go meet them. This one don't enter. Exactly. Go block them. This one don't enter. So we need this. We need to use our money the right way. You understand? I believe say the Oga custom way they now. I believe say he won't look serious. But I hope it's creative. Because not only to just
don't be not
only say to
exactly.
just say, you know they smile. You know they smile.
Quickly, the issue of I know say yes, maybe the person where the head of custom will just enter there one try improve. But then it is not about just say they get porous borders. We also need to ask ourselves the individuals where they man these borders. How sincere are them to at least to restrict people from not coming in, especially when you don't get with any relationship. Because from some of our callers, somehow, hand they change. Even for hand they change hand. But okay. You
know, see deployment of technology go assist in that area too. Where they look from office, where they send intelligence. People don't even know say that they custom. They just get them. Maybe just partly with DSS. This time we make them do like Fulani people. See how they go take arrange everything. You know, everything is intelligence and creativity. We need creative leaders in all these to man all these what do they call them? All these agencies. You understand? If we do that one, it's going to reduce. We don't say it go stop them fully, but it will reduce them to a very, very large extent. Now, we don't talk about the card registration. NIMSI, they do in one. This one, they do in one. To what extent are we making use of these things? To really determine who are Nigerians and who not be Nigerians. Let's assume, say, we don't enter one chance already. People don't come. We know let's have everybody waiting Nigerian and Nigerian. But make we not allow others come inside again.
Exactly. So that we go get where to start from. We don't draw line.
Yeah, what I say, all of them, we don't enter. Like this man, they talk. Trump, they talk. So all of them, we don't do. But those when they come, no way for them.
Even with, say, would they do national ID card? At least we supposed to see, okay, national ID, the whole essence of you having a national ID card, now to fit identify you as a Nigerian from birth to way, not be Nigerian. But even with the national ID card thing, just like say the whole process of having a national ID card, you know, today, this
you know, they're pure, you know, they're pure, they know, they organize.
The essence.
You understand? You know, they're because one thing where they lacking for all this thing, publicity. No publicity. You understand? Spend this money, publicize whatever you are doing, and be strict about it. Let there be deadlines. The first thing to sensitize people say, this in the happen, this in the happen. They do that one. A year, never even do. They do. You understand? The next thing we say, okay, after this and this go happen. You understand? Like that, people will know. Go to stations like all these all on a grassroots station. You go there where people they listen to, where the common men on the street they listen to. Everyone know they read paper now. How many people they read paper?
Barrister, if you be say we don't already talk, say you be Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim. I for they wonder whether your name be Solomon. Because the way when we say you they answer our questions, you know they enter. You just be like who they drive Formula One.
Don't compare yourself with him. I mean, you don't talk. It's a good thing to say they try commander. He is well informed. He is intelligent.
You see,
so no con they see
from the way you take John me to this discussion, it's very obvious. Say even if they dash you, say make your name be Solomon, it no be fit you. If they even dash you, say who could be just be a Solomon.
Why?
Because see,
why? Tell me. No, give me one reason.
If I tell you, go pay you.
No, give me one reason.
If I tell you, go pay you.
No, give me one reason.
Now you go be out of all of us when they here. Now your own border. Now they leak on top of this show. Now your border, now they leak on top of this show. I talk to a person. This is the way when you take enter our topic, join everything. You come here, they tell me say this thing. You know. Oh, are you saying he's not wise? No, is that what you are saying? That he's not wise? I say person join topic and everything.
I don't become another topic. I
go take him beyond you. No, just relax. Wait till you see my mouth they do.
I say you know even.
No. He talks in my mouth now. Wait. I've
been talking say.
Say I get loose mouth. I talk anyhow.
If they dash is all over.
What does they fall out from my mouth anyhow?
Respect our visitor.
No, did you respect him when you were saying all this?
Respect our visitor.
No, I've respected him enough, but you, this is personally between you and I.
I don't have anything with you because I could be
don't worry. This program go end. Barrister go out.
No, you don't be do anything on this show.
Barrister go out.
Oga Chukudi, they call us all the way from
Barrister go house.
What do you want to do? Oga Chukudi from Owerri. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Oga Barrister.
You hear your name say Oga Chukudi.
Good morning.
Yes, Oga Barrister, now you are going to ask this question. Make you help us as a lawyer, as a bongo lawyer, make help us analyze them. This budget, where they already, for the first time, submit to National Assembly.
Yes.
After some kind days, we come here say the thing don't disappear. Then they say he enter from the front door, can't disappear from the window. Now, after, he can't resurface again. Then, in the course of analyzing or discussing the budget, they come to find out, say, some kind things happen inside the budget we're not supposed to happen. Then they say, get some kind of versions. Now, for my understanding of corruption, me, I still say, for that kind of budget, there is a whole lot of corruption. One, if you define corruption by layman, it means a lack of honesty and trust. And by extension, you're going to say corruption now using your official position for dishonest gains. Now, you know if you say some kind of things will happen for that project where they say he won't benefit some people dishonestly, and some kind of people will do and not get some kind of integrity or honesty. Now, don't you think say it good make this government for what they preach about corruption, prosecute people, investigate and prosecute people where they behind this whole drama. So it could be like say what they preach, they do.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukudi. Barrister,
the simple answer be say government don't work on that. As they come now, they hear say mass sack for budget office. They don't start them direct already. So I trust Buhari say he could do so because it's a national embarrassment. You understand? So I believe say in terms of fighting corruption, Buhari gets strength for that one.
So you don't already, this one not very, very obvious.
It's very narrow something.
Say make it just.
They go shook hand for all those way they patch the whole thing.
But then if you also look at based on what them or this thing, the Oga Chukudi don't talk. The individuals, okay, people where they prepare budget, at least you don't get more like a collection. So okay, say all of us, the minister, the major permanent secretary of the list, everybody goes to that. So, okay, see the budget we won't prepare. You want them say them no go there where say somehow you don't they filter.
Very true. But before you answer that question, I bet we'll collect this call from Caroline. They call us all the way from Ikotun. Caroline, hi. Wow. We don't lose Caroline. Caroline, I bet no best. Try call us back. Make you give us your own contribution as you take concern what we discuss today. Hey, Barrister, you don't hear the question.
Well, that will have to do with investigation because the people they thought, the ministers or the ministry they thought, say, at the time when they prepared the project, because it was already running late. You understand? They just come, they don't even do most of the work before they enter as ministers. So I think it's just a function of investigating properly. And anybody where they culpable, make you face the law. You understand? Because most of these people, they're not be in jail. You understand? So anybody where they culpable, I just hope the government will have the strong will to be able to do that.
Exactly. And this one, they're very, very obvious. Say, Now every part of government now go play a role to use the ensure say this corruption when they talk we pursue and come up for country.
Before the corruption pursue us.
Very true. If Papa won't train Pikin, but Mama no give am the support, now be say the effort of Papa the thing no go work. And talking about the future, as you use UAE give example, make we go talk about one thing we will discuss on Thursday, the issue of cultism inside Obodo Nigeria. At some point we dey look and say now something when they our universities, we carry campaign go there or higher institutions, and later we come see say even people when they secondary school, it can't be like say the thing on the enter. Now for senior person for police to come and tell us say with what they don't see for inside Edo State, say some kind 12-year-old, 13-year-old children, when even they primary school, they don't begin to use some kind slang, they wear some kind color, they do some kind things. And if the people who are supposed to be the leaders of tomorrow don't already come, they find themselves for this particular level, that is a serious problem there. How we go take for address this issue? Family, that is Papa and Mama, government, that is those when they're in authority, and also the society.
You know, say the problem now, very big problem. Now society, and as you don't talk now, all levels of the society enter family. Because now we value riches, we value money, we don't value ethics. Just like this our law profession. Now this person they buy jet, you say one rush, you won't go buy jet. Everybody they, you understand? Nobody they talk about the ethical standards again. Anything goes. You understand? The parent before now. The whole community, they discipline child.
Yes.
If you make mistake now, discipline your neighbor's child. You go enter wahala. You go enter serious wahala. And another thing, we say, are we our brother's keeper? Like for me now, when I reach my area, I do small taekwondo before. So I can't take and say, what thing we fit do? All these street children, where they street, everybody where they do. What thing we fit do? I can't start to teach them. Many of them, they be bad boys, small boys, but because say if this one continue like this, it will become considered responsible people.
Exactly.
National champions, Commonwealth champion, every day, part of them. Not to say, it be like say we get hope. You understand? I can't take the thing, go to school. Go to public school, don't I be lawyer. If I read just, they don't say I be lawyer. Because I they use what I get to contribute to society. If we can all do that, anything where you get, any talent where you get, look at people in your area. True. Because if the wahala happen, it go reach you. If then they fight, go island now, go Mushin. They're not go grease sleep. Because this street, they fight this street today. That street, they fight. So the government, another individuals, then government, recreational facility. Invest in sports. So people can divert their energy. True. Many people, they'll be say, if they blow you naturally, you go faint. Just naturally, they never train, but they are built.
If they can't train them,
who go beat them?
When we take Oga Sonny, they call us all the way from Oshodi before Oshodi people verse. Oga Sonny, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Sonny.
Oga Sonny, you there? You be like say the network no agree, Oga Sonny. I beg, if you dey call us anywhere from inside Obodo Nigeria, reduce the volume of your television so that the full Nigeria go hear your contribution for inside this discussion. Barrister, you don't talk about one when we say you don't make distinction. They very, very clear. Say now we ourselves go fit change our society.
Yeah, so
make we begin to look. Say, this person and my brother. Make I do the things when we say I no go like. And if I don't want make bad thing happen to my mama pikin, make it not happen to this person. That one na one way. But some people don't come out. Like one of our callers, when callers from Calabar talk, say the thing don't reach big companies. It don't reach government. When we say they go ask you, say who you be or where you belong before they give you any particular position. You think say you get anything what we do for our law? When go make them know they acceptable because some people na swag, na style, na class.
That one, you don't dare, like I talk, our laws, to event, if you know they perfect, but to a very large extent, we get lost. You understand? Our constitution forbids what they call
illegal
forbids discrimination. You know if they admit people on top, say then they this court, they know they that court. You understand? So our criminal codes also they against courtism. You understand? Everything they there now just enforcement and the will of the government to really ensure say this thing no thrive. Because now when we dey school, all the BB court people they be friends with the DPO. You understand? If they arrest person, Oga, our our boy, we go come see, they go release him. You go see how many courts they don't arrest, where they charge, where they can sentence. How many? If they give them money, don't stop.
See, Barrister, just as you don't raise this matter, if this kind of issue now, this issue of courtesy don't enter somehow, we dey see and they reflect inside government, we dey see and they reflect inside the different parastatals, we dey see and they reflect for schools, then You see, make we sincerely, this thing don't pass, it don't pass this thing. How we can step? Because for us to say we want really put a strong stand for ground, at least that strong stand need to come from some set of people who say, we get the liver to say the waiting, to say they will put the stand. Who can stand? Where the stand will come from to at least to ensure say at least people they protected. The issue of say courtesan, we not going to encourage them at all. But before we go on that, make we collect this call from Olatokunbo. Olatokunbo, they call us from Oshogbo. Good morning, Olatokunbo.
Yeah, good morning, Ubi.
Good morning.
I'm Shukudi Adehelu.
I greet you, Olatokunbo. I greet our Ogbonge visitor.
Yeah, thank you. I just want to contribute for this tariff hike in electricity.
Okay, feel free.
People just these people will increase this tariff. We don't understand because right now they're already charging on prepaid, and people are complaining about reversal. They've already implemented the issue. You understand? And we will want to collect this what's it called? This prepaid meter. Many of us don't pay over 1 year now. They then collect money.
They
don't give us the prepaid meter. You understand? And they have been bringing estimated fee over months now, like 6 to 12 months. You understand, sir? So that's not my contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Olatokunbo. Now, very, very important point, and you don't drop down. We need to do the right thing first before we take the action when we say go follow on. We get Joseph in, they call us all the way from Abuja back to back. Oga Joseph, welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Joseph.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
And our Obunge barrister, good morning too.
Good morning, sir.
Barrister, I beg. They talk about this border issue where you don't discuss.
Okay,
one issue now, this our immigration.
Okay.
If you go there, if you see what in there happen. No, especially these people will say, all these fast food will say you give money, 7,000, 30,000, million dollars express for you. They know who be who. Anybody, if you come from anywhere, just go and just enter there. Just go. And again, other borders. People will become all this motorway, they carry all this Shanunama, they enter this. You can see all these guys, maybe from Niger, they enter this country. Even from Katsina, all those borders. Now, so we don't checkmate. I beg, throw light for this issue. Make one help us with the rich government. If you go to the border too, you see what things happen for the border. Plenty issues, plenty things they enter through that place. Forget saying you go there. I don't pass there many times. Sometimes they go to embarrass you, which they even hold their major passports. If you go there, they go embarrass you, bring it. They don't for the border where I don't pass that road for like 2-3 times. I don't see what thing they happen for that place. Some of them, if you just come now and just settle them, give us something now, just pass, they go your way. I beg, not going to help us tell government, maybe make that issue.
Okay, Joseph, thank you very much for this
Joseph.
important one where you don't raise. And we go continue to discuss this matter so that our government people then go do waiting day right. We get Oga Gabriel in, they call us all the way from Akute. Oga Gabriel, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning,
greet you.
Gabriel.
Sir, I want the program. I want to talk about our legislative border.
Okay.
I think last week I was going to travel to Cotonou, all the way to Cotonou. Even this is what I was talking to people. So the way I would do that, all those, what they call it, they handle our border. They know they are for, you know, when I was entering into the segment, I know how much I pay to our own fellow Nigeria, the self-security. Understand me? Even when entering that Cotonou, their security well than our own
Borders.
The work of our body. Please, they should do something else. If it's something empty, nobody they have the money they want to collect. They have the money they want to collect. They don't even care what they are carrying. They want. I even think this that was in the month. Even looking for me, give me. You know, after you care what in my message, what I'm carrying. It's that wrong. Please, but it's stop to our men, our security men. They are disgracing us.
Thank you.
Thank you
Oga
very much,
Gabriel,
Oga
thank you very
Gabriel.
much for this important point we don't raise. We get Charles in the call us all the way from Kaduna. Oga Charles, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Good morning, Charles.
Oga Charles, you did there? E be like say network no gree Oga Charles to make im contribution. Wetin we go try do now na say barrister.
Yes.
We go enter market. When we enter market, come back. E be like say we go just try our best to lock our telephone lines. And the reason why we don't take plenty calls now because of say as we get ogbonge expert wey qualify well to discuss this issue, him go talk and make all of us learn. And una don ask questions, especially as e get to do with our leaky border and the budget. We go discuss all of this one so that those wey dey lead us go here know say Nigerians want wetin good for this country because na we go benefit from. No go anywhere. Na Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV, and this na as e dey complete am. Welcome back to Ask It Hot. We go quickly take this last call. After this call, and I say we go lock our telephone lines, allow barrister to chook mouth inside everything. We get Oga Emmanuel all the way from Ogun State. Oga Emmanuel, welcome to Ask It Hot. Oga Emmanuel, you there? E be like say the network no gree make Oga Emmanuel make this important contribution. Barrister, the floor is yours.
Yeah.
This our leaky border now. We don't identify one particular problem. We get plenty entry points when we say we never man. That one a problem on your own because nobody did anybody yes. pass. The ones when we say people can't demand, and we can't get say if you give one particular amount of money, they will allow you pass, or they know too they do their work well. I go like make you address this issue. Number one. What we go do to motivate the people when they this entry points? When we say nobody small 2,000 when they collect, and I go sweep them. And number two, how we go fit address those ones when we say nobody even there at all?
You know, the first thing we say, we have to have the love of this country.
Patriotism.
Yes. Now one major thing, because now we understand the economic situation. In as much as we want motivation, we get level where government feed and reach. Because the problem we say problem dey. We know how much dollar costs now. So we have to have that spirit of patriotism. Proper training, at least make them invest. If you see the kind ammunition, arms and ammunition where custom people they carry, things where they don't use for Americans since the 1800. You understand? Now they still they carry for hand. You understand? Motivate them, give them proper weapons, and employ more people to man all the unmanned borders and deploy technology.
Very true. Barrister, the way you take answer this question now, it just be like say, I even think as I drop and the thing go long, but you just quickly take Oga Andrew. They say they call back from Ikoyi. Oga Andrew, welcome back to Asi the Hot. Thank you for your patience.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Andrew.
Thank you.
I just want to greet the Honorable Barrister.
Thank you very much, sir.
I've been hearing his contribution since morning, and I'm very, very grateful with what he has been saying.
Thank you.
So, with our leaky border, so we are saying technology. If the situation should remain there, it will take time. So, and if you look into it, who is taking care of them there? Who are aware about? They are only posted there. Nobody asked maybe they are eating or not. No, they are so then they use that technology so that we reduce the stress of demand here. So and the ammunition that they are bringing to the country, I think some big men are behind the matter. So we can let them bring book. And concerning this our budget, like that said before, he said that last year they approved 90, whether now 72 billion. And this year, 70 billion. Why are they complaining? Who complained about the one that they approved last year? So let us allow the government to continue their work and let us see if we are going to praise them or not at the end of the day. That is my contribution.
Oga Andrew, thank you very much for this important contribution. You already talk and say the ball dey the court of our government. Government no be NYSC or IT. Make them ensure say they do the work when they want to. Now Nigerians go give them results at the end of the day, no be for them to sing their praises. Barrister, we don't see all the things when we don't discuss today. And you get one very important thing when you talk. Join all the other important things when you don't talk. You mentioned patriotism. the love we get for our country.
Yes.
But barrister, if we check am, e go dey hard somehow. The love wey mama dey get for im pikin, I say e carry am for 9 months, come born am. The responsibility of that pikin na to give, because of the love wey mama show, na to take care of mama. Now, if we get government wey suppose do things wey go make Nigerians happy, when Nigeria go look say, "I ready to die for this country."
Yes.
Wetin be those things wey you think say we go dey see when government suppose dey do, wey go make Nigerians dey ginger say, "This country na my country, I fit give my life for this country."
First thing they say, make them slash an entitlement.
Thank you very
now
much.
Now, the first thing.
Slash
the entitlement.
That is the big money when they collect.
This thing when they collect.
Thank you.
Like Senate, they insist they must buy car, they must do us. Slash, why are you being extravagant? This car when they thought they banned the last time. You go buy them again, go they change. You want to live big man life when people they suffer.
Majority of the people.
We must be able to suffer. Let me make I use that word. Suffer for this country.
True.
You understand? So once we see that, okay, they are also making sacrifices, I believe that people below will also make sacrifices. National Orientation Agency, when they put adverts for, do different programs, if it be drama, we then go to the orientation. You understand? Because orientation must come from the basic, from the primary school, secondary school, university. Maybe they get courses where we say, maybe in a national orientation, something they will call them. But they will talk about patriotism. Because that is lacking. You understand? And without that, this country can never move forward. It's because of unpatriotism, lack of patriotism. Now, in they make person the embezzle. If you're not patriotic, you don't go embezzle now. It's because of, if you're not patriotic, you won't do your work as you're meant to do it. When you're supposed to work, you don't go do work.
Very true.
You understand? Now, when you're supposed to arrive, you don't go arrive. You don't need to clock in. You don't need anybody to monitor before you do the right thing.
Exactly.
Once we start doing the right thing, then everything will become better.
But the issue of doing the right thing and then once we start doing the right thing. But then, make also be say we don't mention our government officials, say, okay, maybe they need to do it. But then, this thing, we don't sing this like him. Like, say, we recycle, don't they talk. When would that moment come? Because there are steps that needs to be taken for us to say, okay, the issue of the spirit of patriotism don't they come into place. When would that moment come? What are those steps we also need to take for us to say, okay, we don't reach that stage where we say, yes, I'm a Nigerian, I feel die for my country and all that.
One thing we say, it starts from the individual. Once you don't make up your mind, now individuals, now you make up this country.
Very true.
You, me, you, like that. The thing we say, it has to come from within. And materialism, it's good to have money. Everybody wants to look a good life. You understand, but do it the right way. You understand? Once we are too materialistic, because one thing we say, if tomorrow reach, people will be proud of what they have been able to make of other people.
Very true.
Some people there now be say they don't feel do anything again. They don't feel look back, see anything where they don't give, where they don't do any life, where they don't impact.
Exactly.
You understand? Once they make person happy at that time now
things where you don't do. Past,
people where you don't do things for, we don't go forget you. You understand?
This talk where you don't talk, now we just leave them for here. But we'll carry the one way you get one way you want. Classic example when you give of the United Arab Emirates. You go bring and make everybody see.
Make people go read this book. May they go read My Vision.
My Vision.
And Flashes of Thoughts.
My Vision by who?
By Mohammed Rashid Al Maktoum. Now be the king of Dubai and the prime minister of UAE. My Vision and Flashes of Thoughts. Very fantastic book. Fantastic thoughts on how you can move any society forward. Without a love of the people, you can't do anything.
Exactly. So our leaders, them when they watch us, when I don't hear the voice of Nigerians, everybody they speak with one voice, say, we want waiting to make our country better, make all of us feel enjoy them. Our Ogbonge visitor, Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim. We appreciate you. Say every time we extend invitation, you they enter and you they talk about Nigerians, their belly is sweet. We believe, say, we go continue to work hard so that this country, the dream when we say our heroes pass then get, we go feel achieve them, we go feel live them, and our children go come back, look our generation talk, say yes. Even though we know, say we make some kind of mistake, but we start somewhere and we don't begin to enjoy them. I go shake your hand again. You try, you try. Our people waiting for us until we come back again on Monday with all of the action to do what happen for Obodo Nigeria inside this weekend. Nkubi.
Till Monday we'll go come again. Bye.
Why you almost say till tomorrow? You know even
No. If they have a slip of tongue.
Which slip of which tongue? Now only to the attack me, you sabi.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.